Good afternoon, ma'am and sir. Our e-health information system is designed to enhance efficiency and monitoring in the school clinic by streamlining medical records management. It has three users roles: the admin, the doctor, and the nurse. This system ensures secure, organized, and accessible health records, improving overall clinic operations and student health monitoring.
So let's start with the admin first. So admin has the highest access among the users. It has four modules. First is the manage accounts, where the admin can create accounts for the user, which is this form. And then at the bottom we can see here that the admin can edit the existing accounts if needed. For example, we will create one account. You have to specify here what role will be the account will be, and create account. You have to first refresh the system and then your account will appear here at the bottom. Next is we have the view medical records, which is just like the nurse and the doctor, the admin can also view the medical records. These are the list of the registered students. And also we have a search engine here where we can input the student number and the student will appear here. It also displays the personal information and medical history once the student is registered. Lastly is the track logs, where the admin can track the logins of the users, and the admin can monitor here which account was online and what time they log in and log out. So next is the nurse.
So the nurse part is filling up the registration for student who visit the clinic for medical assessment. Okay. Once the student is registered, he or she is ready to be assessed by the doctor.
Once the student is already registered, then we can proceed to the doctor. So the doctor has a module to view the registered students to be assessed. We can see here the registered students. And the doctor has a button for assess students. So after the registration and the checkup, the doctor can fill up these forms. So we have prepared once received the assessment, the information of the student will be updated and the assessment of the doctor will show here at the bottom. So if ever the student will come back for another visit, this history of medical will not be deleted and can be used by the doctor for next assessment. So the doctor can have another assessment for the student. And you can see the difference in the consultation date. You can check if when was the assessment was done. So that's all for our system.
Thank you.